Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 frog theme coins by market cap. We're going to start with Pepe number 1, followed by Bread, Turbo, BOME, WOG, APU, PEPECOIN, PEPE, PURPE, and then we'll end it with Major number 10. Let's get straight into it. Pepe against USD, the largest market cap frog of all the other frogs. Okay, so Pepe is... I feel like Pepe is in a rising channel. And rising channels usually break lower. But I do not see the bearish reversal chart pattern yet. I only have the skinny pink line to work with. So as long as we're above it, we remain with a bullish bias. We know that Pepe might still zip higher. So yeah, but as it stands, right, I still think that Pepe will eventually cross the skinny pink line. Like all things, a correction is inevitable. One fine day. When? We're not too sure. As it stands, yeah, again, we're not too sure. Not too clear in terms of its bullish continuation or a bearish reversal. Bread against USD. So for Bread. Okay, so Bread is bearish. Bread is bearish. In my opinion, Bread is about to form a very, very big head and shoulders. And after that, bam, Bread drops lower. That's my expectation for Bread. I think Bread is coming lower. I don't really like what I see, but again, we'll have to wait for the right shoulder. You're going to see a strong rally and you will think that, oh, this is a new, potential new all-time high. It could be, but I feel like the, yeah, it's getting weaker in my opinion. And every time we go up, we get pulled lower. See that? Every time we go, we get pulled lower. Get pulled lower. Yeah, sure, it'll be higher and all, but I still feel that eventually we'll be dropping back under all of these clusters of cells. Probably towards sub 2 cents. We can even drop to 1 cent, but we'll take things one step at a time. I think that this is a potential short. Sure, there could be a rally, but I think this rally is a right shoulder in the making. So watch out for that right shoulder for Bread. Turbo against USD. Here we are for Turbo. Turbo has been... Okay, let's look at it on the gate. So Turbo has been on a reaper, right? Ever since this bottom at 2023, it just kept going higher and higher and higher. To be honest, right, technically we're still in a bullish trend for Turbo. I suspect that Turbo could still hit a little bit higher, but just like Bread, I suspect that this could also be a potential head and shoulders, but we have to drop all the way down here. Rise up to the skinny pink line, acting as a resistance, completing a right shoulder, and pump, we drop lower. Right, it doesn't necessarily have to be above the lows over here. We can even go past this, right? And this doesn't become a head and shoulders, but it becomes something like an ABC kind of a chart pattern. So something like this could happen as well. Again, technically, we're still in a bullish trend. Sure, we could still head higher, but watch out for the zip down under the skinny pink line. This will be the confirmation that the bearish trend is on for Turbo. Book of Meme has been on a downer for some time. It just kept going lower and lower and lower, just lower and lower and lower. Again, rising channels, lower and lower, right? Even on the smaller time frames. Again, it's just nothing much for us to work with. FOG against USD. Here we are for FOG. I don't think there's anything much for FOG. We're gonna move on with APU. APY. What's APY? Annual percentage yield. APU against USD. Okay, we don't have it here. APU has formed a higher high, but marginally higher high, which means that potentially, again, I think that APU could also be coming back down for a head and shoulders, potentially, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, with a support line here. Again, there's no confirmation yet. Sure, we could still rally higher. Again, the bearish reversal is not too clear. This could turn into a bullish continuation though, but this is a marginally higher high. Not the kind of move that we want to see, right? Once we see a breakout, we want to see, pooh, it goes far away from the consolidation, right? We are still at the consolidation, and it's a higher high. So that's not too good for APU. We could still form another higher high though. And this whole thing could be a rising wedge. Again, the direction, in my opinion, is still down for APU Staja. PEPECOIN against USD on gate. XC, okay, PEPECOIN. Yeah, it's not good. We're under the skinny pink line. You can argue that this is something like head and shoulders, something like that. but it's just not good. The point is, once you cross a skinny pink line, this means that bear trend is on for Pepe coin. Based Pepe, okay, based Pepe. Ooh, we don't have it. Spell it out. Based Pepe 5 months ago. Are we looking for base Pepe? I don't see anything. Again, base Pepe could still hit higher, right? This whole thing could become a falling channel. It is a falling channel, yeah. Potentially a little bit higher, but yeah, I would be very, very careful about rushing into a trade long for base Pepe. PURPE, PURPE, purple Pepe. Okay, this is getting more and more ridiculous. So for purple Pepe, yeah, that could be a continuation though, to be honest. Right, we had something like a descending triangle. You see this? Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3, pump down, pump up. So, okay, so this is a potential falling channel. It has morphed into a potential bullish continuation chart pattern. So I suspect that the whales of purple Pepe is they have intention of pushing the price higher. Right, potentially, but again, I was still pretty caution about rushing into a trade for PURPE. Major. I was major. I don't think major is good though. Hey, wait. Let's take a look with yes. So major in the short term, if it falls, will be fantastic. Why? Because this whole thing could be a wave C. A down, up B, down C, D, E. Right. Major could form a very high quality bullish chart pattern. Absolutely possible. It would be fantastic if you got a wave C and D and E. So major is one coin that you want to be looking at. As it stands, we still don't have it yet. Sure, if it goes higher, then that's just too bad. But as it stands, there is potential in an ABCDE kind of an accumulation. So yeah, we gotta monitor the price action. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's frog theme coins. TA, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!